everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you might have already guessed through the title of this video is that today I am taking you to the campus tour. Don't know if I want to call it as a campus tour or whether I should call it as castle tour, because my university is inside the castle. Actually, it was a castle which has been now converted into the university. Obviously a long time ago. But inside the classroom, the infrastructure is really modern. But if you can see behind me, the building, its architecture is really historical. So today I will show you some of the features and facilities. I will also tell you about my university and I hope you will enjoy it. Obviously, the place I'm standing right now is not the only campus. If you are in Mannheim, then you know that there are many libraries present all over the city. Similarly, there are classes that is held in other parts of the city. For this video, I will be taking you to the main building, the library and the classroom, hopefully. So to begin with, I would like to show you the church where it is said that the students should come here before the examination so that they can pray to God for the good grades. Trust me, this is not something that I'm telling you just because I am Indian or we do it in India. Here also people do it. So now here it's the library, which I will show you from the center. Obviously you can stand your bicycle here, but you have to ensure that it's locked properly, otherwise just don't expect your cycle to be there once you will be coming back. Now here, these small things you might be wondering what it is. So yeah, let me open it and show you what it's inside. It's really old and dirty, but still, yeah. So I will be basically telling you about it. When I came and during my induction, it was told to me that this entire university, the ground that you are seeing below it, it has a bunker where people used to sleep during the World War. This is how the university looks like from the center, and opposite to this building is our city center, and that's why I always recommend students to live near the city or the university so that they're not wasting their time or energy and obviously money. But if the ticket is included in your administration fee, definitely you're not wasting your money in the transportation then. This here on the right is your law library, and in the center there is a museum which I will show you. Definitely I won't be able to get inside it. And there in the left side is the cafe where people are sitting outside it, and then if I will cross it, there is a library for business school students, and over there in the corner is where we have most of our classes. Let's go there. So behind me is the museum, and over there is the center of it, and we have the law library over there. I'm sure you have recognized him who is standing behind me in one of my video on weird experience in the German university. So this is the museum and it opens for free sometimes, not all the time. You have to actually get the ticket for that. But a very fun fact is that somebody told me if the couple kiss on the entrance of the door, then the entrance is free. I'm not sure whether how much it's true, but if you're coming to University of Mannheim, you might want to try it. And if you don't have anyone, then you will get someone. Okay, so I entered a place where we have classrooms, and in front of the classroom, opposite to it, there are notice board in which you will find sometimes jobs or other information on workshops. So in this board there is no job opening, but usually you get it. Now let me take you inside classroom, but I think there is a class that is going on inside it. But so because I am standing in front of the class, so let me tell you that how you can check the schedule. It's really very easy. So this is the lecture hall, and here you can see the code, then the days and the class schedule. But because there is a class going inside, so I don't really want to disturb them, because it's a Wednesday today. So let's see which class it is. So basically there is a German lecture going on. So this building that you are seeing, which just we came across, is the building held interviews over there during the time of career fair. Now I'm taking you to the EO Cafe. Come and let it rescue me, 'cause all I need is... So here again we have our VRN next bike, about which I have already spoken in my how to save video. If you haven't watched it, please do watch, because this bike can save you a lot. So the first 30 minutes of this bike ride is free and have their stands present in almost all part of the city. Come and let it rescue me, 'cause all I need is... Now let me take you to the business school library. So I am right now at the locker room, and here I will show you how you can use the locker. So the locker at the end that are open is for the general public, because it's a public university, anyone can use the library as well. And here I'm putting my stuff in, and using my student card I will also lock this locker. Please bear in mind that you're not allowed to carry jacket or food items inside the library, so you might want to use the locker to put it in there. So now this is the library, and you have to use this basket to carry your belongings like phone, stationaries, laptop inside. Then here is a sitting area, and upstairs we have the books. So over here you can also do the group discussion, and at the end we even have the photocopy and printout machine over here. Right at the entrance of the Babel Library and between the info center, we have this space known as Schneckenhof, which held every Thursday during the summertime. Really popular fest since 1970. The most popular one is known as Norwegian Party. So here you can see they are preparing for the party tonight. The tickets are sold in the campus. I will take you to that place right now after this. So basically this is the notice board where they display the jobs and many other events. If you have remembered, this is the same classroom where I have filmed my weird experience in German university. If you haven't watched that video, which I was even mentioning a while ago, then you might want to check it. I will leave the link in the card or in the description box. So basically what I want to tell you is that in my university, it has been divided in various wings, like according to the direction. So east, west, is that the place where I have actually started this video is the center, and if you go towards east, this is the part where you will have most of the operations and management masters, business and economics, finance, marketing and informatics class. But there are very less informatics. Mostly it's the business lectures that is held in the east wing. And if you go from the center towards the west, you will get the library, the law library, and then you have Mensa Cafe, In case someone from Mannheim is watching it, and in case I am saying something wrong, then do let me know in the comment section. And if you have enjoyed my video, then also let me know in the comment, or just simply say hi. So this is how the big lecture hall looks like. And in the same lecture hall, we even have our examination, and they ask you to sit leaving one seat, so there is no chance of cheating, even because the lecture duration is really less, sometime 45 to 60 minutes, which is quite less to fill the long master's degree level answer sheet. And I always used to sit in front for the better focus and concentration, as I already told you in one of my videos. This is the reason how I was even able to concentrate and remember this stuff. And obviously it's all your call in case you want to sit in the back, or if you're coming late, which I won't advise. It's quite embarrassing because people here in Germany are quite time disciplined and they come on time. So even if you have classes at 8 o'clock, try to be on time. And yeah, so let me show you how the lecture room is, and then I will take you the other seminar rooms. So this is the professor table from where he addressed to the class, and here he even has drinking water. So that's the good thing that I've seen. It's the first time that I am coming on this level, but obviously during the presentation you have to stand and give the presentation from here, and this is the presentation board with green board and chalks. So here how they just insert the USB and see their presentation, and this is how they do the sums and calculation on real time and can show them in the presentation over there on the whiteboard. I don't know why that blue circle is there. Then here we have dustbins and Hyson heating, then big windows, and beside that, those things that are lying there, postcards, mostly you will get many of such things lying on your desk. So it's a kind of a promotion in case there is some special events which you can attend. Sometimes they even tell you when the company is visiting the campus, so you might want to check that because it's good for your job. Here you have some notes lying here, which I'm sure is all free because usually you have to buy, but obviously sometimes they even rotate the handout for free. So it's like a schedule on marketing. Cool. So I think I've covered enough of the lecture hall, and you now got the idea of it. So it's quite a big class, and the lectures here are less interactive. Therefore, I would advise you, in case you have any problem, then you might want to raise the question then and there during the lecture time, or you can even take out the appointment by emailing the professor. This seminar place is one of the medium-sized space where we have most of the events where the companies come and address. So yeah, now here we have small seminar rooms. So there's a notice board from Student Generale, which is one of the companies that actually teaches German language, and they even have decorated the entire gallery with old pictures, which is quite good. And here you can see what seminar rooms are there. So here you can see the name of the seminar room and a little about it, and the schedule of the classes. So this is my class for marketing. So I really have good memories with this class because we had made lots of presentations and presented it in front of this small batch, and we even had the examination of the same course over here. So So yeah, this is how it looks from the back. Seminar room. Drinking water facility, because in Germany you can drink water from any tap. Chalks and duster, green board, and the desktop, then the presentation board, and outside here, street. So I hope you're enjoying this tour. Now let me show you what is there on the top of this building, because there is something interesting waiting for you to see. So far you have seen that the glasses from inside is really high tech, from outside it represents some era. So why they don't have anything inside? Here we have it. So you can see all these Roman era popular statues. Now let me take you to the study space, and I will show you how you can top up your student ID card to pay in Mensa and for printouts. So here is one of the top-up machine. You need your student ID card and you can insert it in here with the banknote. You simply need to first log in with your ID and password and then enter the amount. That's it, it's that simple. So outside the study space, we have 2 locker rooms, but to enter the study space, you don't need to leave your bag or jacket over here. You can carry that inside. But following the study space, we have the library. Therefore, in case the first locker room that I showed you is full, then you can use these ones. So this is the study space. You can do group discussion or simply can come and do your assignments over here. So that's it for today. It's already been a really long video. I will show you maybe in some other video if you want the Mensa, the cafe in details. So let me know in the comment section. Until then, take care. Bye.